Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we are going to build a Pong game. If you don't know what is a Pong game, it's basically a type of game where the user is controlling a paddle and the ball is bouncing off the paddle. So we're going to create this with levels and scoring and changing backdrops on level. So let's jump in. First, we're going to delete Scratch Cat here. He's lonely. Bye, Scratch Cat. Done. Next, we're going to choose a sprite. And we're going to go to up bar. Up bar. First, we're going to choose a object. We're going to choose a random object. For example, let's choose a bell. After that, after we choose the bell, we are then going to go to costumes. We're going to go to paint. Then we're going to choose rectangle. These will be for the bars. Like this. Fix it. We're gonna name it the up bar. Up bar. Then I'm gonna shrink it a little. Now that we use the costume editor, next we're gonna get the painting, the color. Something between here. The fill. There you go. That should. Then the up bar will be over here. It will be moved side to side by the user's arrow keys. So this will be basically like the catch game which we made in this last video. But instead, this bell will be bouncing off that bar and then into the other direction, and then once it bounces off the walls and if it touches here below the bar and make it to the bell, then the game will stop. So that's our structure. So let's keep the bell over here. Let's decrease the size of it. Somewhere like 80. Then we're gonna name it here up bar. After we've named it bar, then we're gonna change the backdrop. So for the starting, we're gonna choose basketball 1. Then after that, for the bar, we're gonna bring a 1 green flag click block. And then after that, we're gonna bring control forever loop. Then 2 if statements, duplicate. There. Sensing, key space pressed. Left arrow, right arrow. Then motion, change X by, -10. Then after that, we are going to go for the bell. But for the bar, we have to decrease its size. So for that, it's going to be 80, the same size as the bell. After that, we're going to bring the script for the bell. So what first we're going to do is that head on to events, bring a 1 green flag clicked block. We're going to bring go to random position from the motion section. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to make it point in direction 45. After that, we are going to head on to control forever loop. Head on to motion, move block, move 15 steps. After that, bring the if on edge bounce block. Now that we're done with this script, we're going to head on to events again. 1 green flag clicked. And then control the forever loop. And then an if block. After that, attach it. Then go to sensing, touching block, bar. Then we're going to go to variables, make a variable, then we're going to make it a private variable, score. Then once we set these to score, change score by 1, and then after that go to motion, a turn block. After that, gonna get a pick random block from operators. And then we are going to change it to 170 to 190 degrees. After that, we're going to make it move 15 steps. And then what we're going to do is and then go to control and bring weight block 0.5 seconds. Then head on to choose a sprite, search line. We're going to place this line right over there. After that, for the line script, what we're going to do is we're going to bring when green flag clicked, motion, go to x -4, y -175. Then head on to control. Then an if statement saying if touching bell, then stop all. Now let's test it. Then we're gonna go to paint, and then go here and go fully red. You lose. Then after that, make a face. After that, Then we are going to bring the backdrop. And then we go to backdrops. And then head on to events. Looks. And then switch backdrop to basketball 1. Now let's try it out. Let's try it now. You'll see that it works, but there's a bug here. The score is continuously there. Yep. It goes back to this backdrop. But we should definitely set the score to 0 first. Head on to variables. Set my variable, delete my variable. Set score to 0. Alright, now let's try it out. You see now the bell is so basically we have made a fully functional home game with, instead of a ball, it's a bell. So, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button and share this video with friends and family. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye!